There you go. Just take your time. You're doing good. Yeah, you're gonna go get that snowball?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right here.
Okay. Oh! You can get up again? Let's see if you can do it. Your daddy's gonna help you. Just in the beginning. You need some help from Dad, huh? Okay, go get that snowball. Go get that snowball. You be able to get it? Oh, there you go. Pick the whole thing up. Whoa, what are you gonna do with it now? You gonna throw it? You throw it at me? No! Whoa! Oop. You're gonna go find another snowball? There's one over there. Can you go get that one? No, that's a little slushy. That's all melted.
Why?
Why is it melted? Because it's warm. Okay. You go back to your puddle? You're gonna go to the water?
Here. Right there. And here.
Yeah, there's a little snowball right there. Those are cold. No. 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 Oh my goodness. So wet. You got it all wet.
Well, again.
No, not again. Whoa. He's got me again. Uh-oh. 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 He's coming to get me. Oh no. What? Oh my goodness. You're silly. Trying to get Daddy all wet, huh? Okay, let me shut it off and dry it.